Hey everyone, this video is going to be a intro video to our new Python library OpenStats. It's a tier sheet library, right? Inspired from QuantStats, right? Now, let's say I'm already running OpenAlgo over here, and of course the OpenAlgo is loaded. I'm going to load the VectorBT skills. I'll say like load VectorBT skills. I'm going to say this inside my cloud code. VectorBT skills. As you know, VectorBT skills is mostly for backtesting a trading strategy, right? As you know, once the skill is loaded, right? So what we are going to do is like, I'm going to write a very simple strategy. In fact, I'm already having a simple strategy over here. Let me bring it on. So here is a simple strategy. It's a simple buy and hold strategy where 60% of the money is going to get parked in GoldBEES and 40% in NIFTYBEES. Initial capital is like 10 lakhs and backtesting period is like 10 years. Time frame that we're going to backtest is on daily data. The benchmark what I'm going to use is on Nifty. Per trade allocation, I'm going to use 100%. I just want to backtest and also get the tier sheets. Open it once the report is generated. I'm just simply going to copy and then I'll paste it over here, right? And all the VectorBT skills are already all set. So if in case you don't know about VectorBT skills, go and learn our past videos. We've done a video on VectorBT skills, so that could be helpful for you to backtest any trading strategy on the fly. As you know, VectorBT skills have a better standard for backtesting, and that will be giving you an production grade backtesting code. And once the code is backtested, probably it also automatically generate the tier sheets, and it also open up the tier sheets for you as well. All right, so the tier sheets has been generated, right? So you can see that the 60% GoldBEES and 40% allocation. Now this is OpenStats. It produces an very cool tier sheets. Of course, quants, right? Quants and systematic traders, they deserve a better cool tier sheets, and it provides very comprehensive information, right? So you can get the performance, you can get the risk metrics, you can also get the Sharpe rolling Sharpie, rolling volatility and rolling win rates and everything. So you know that the win rate, probably in many backtests, it is more of a constant fixed number, but you know that in reality, it is not a fixed number. And by the way, many traders, they want to know their drawdown and drawdown metrics and a lot of detailed drawdown metrics. They want to know more about it. And we also have a very interesting consecutive losing streaks. Like let's say if my strategy, for example, this particular strategy, it has a 6 losing streaks 8 times in the last 10 years, right? And at the max, it has 8 losing, consecutive 8 losing streaks that have occurred 3 times in a row. So these stats could be help you to optimize your strategy, right? And we also have a very cool monthly return dashboard and also weekly return dashboard as well. Now, when it comes to weekly return dashboard, you also have a provision to select a particular year. You can go and check which year, how the backtesting metrics has been yielded. So all those cool figures, you'll be able to go through that. And then followed by that, we have the annual returns. It's a comparison between the strategy and the benchmark, and also the year-on-year returns and distribution analytics and metrics. Complete cool metrics has been presented. And I would say that yes, the idea is from QuantStats and it is derived from QuantStats. But then what a trader needs, it has been added, right? So and the UI has been pretty much changed. And you also have some cool theme as well, right? And that's an add-on, I would say. And anyways, maybe let me know what metrics that you would like to see in OpenStats. Let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.